So I did the extended drip edge here on the bottom. You can see the aluminum that's not painted. And over here, I put another on-roof gutter, just a short one, to catch anything that lands up in there and to shove it over this way. So the extended drip edge, even though it's 6 inches past the edge of the roof, because of the angle of it, we're only gaining about 3 to 4 inches, if that, from the roof, because it's angled down. So it's not really extending our roof much, but a little bit. And we'll see how it functions in a good rain. Also added a little spot up there. I didn't run this other one far enough, and that one wasn't long enough, so I added a little extension in there. I had a piece laying around, I set aside, and here's a piece of aluminum I took the hammer to and bent it the way I wanted it. It's a little dirty, but it'll serve, and it's all going to get some dirt on it. Okay, there we go.